Comfortable, spacious, and built with trusted accessibility, this 2014 Honda Odyssey Wheelchair Accessible van features a Rolex in-floor conversion. This Odyssey delivers the perfect balance of Honda reliability, smooth performance, and practical mobility design. With 91,000 miles, it continues to offer dependable everyday transportation backed by Honda's proven engineering. Equipped with a Rolex automatic side entry in-floor ramp, access is effortless and unobstructed. The ramp deploys smoothly when needed and stows completely beneath the floor, keeping the interior open and clutter-free. This van comfortably accommodates most wheelchairs and power chairs, making entry and exit simple and secure. Inside, the gray cloth interior provides comfort and durability for daily use. The removable driver and passenger seats offer flexible seating configurations, allowing you to tailor the space to your specific mobility needs. Finished in a sleek black exterior and powered by Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Odyssey delivers smooth, confident performance whether you're driving around town or heading out on longer trips. This is a dependable, versatile mobility solution. With Honda's legendary performance and a Rolex in-floor ramp system, it's built to handle daily life with comfort, reliability, and ease. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the wheelchair-accessible van that fits your lifestyle.